A high-stakes testimony wrapping up late today in the fight to disqualify Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis from the Trump election interference case. Good evening. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Courtney Bryant.
And I'm Tom Haynes. After yesterday's explosive day in court today, Willis's father was among those in the hot seat. Fox 5's Rob DiRienzo joins us from the live desk now with a look at what lies ahead in the unprecedented legal drama. Rob?
Guys, good evening to you both. Yeah, another testy day in a Fulton County courtroom as the judge considers disqualifying District Attorney Fani Willis in former President Trump's RICO indictment. The testimony is now over, but this whole legal saga is far from it.
And I'm saying I cannot recall if he socialized with Miss Will, if he ever mentioned to me that he socialized.
Day two of the legal soap opera playing out in a Fulton County courtroom. Lawyers for Mr. Trump and his co-defendants have accused Willis of profiting off her hiring of attorney Nathan Wade, with whom she's been romantic.
You're confused. You think I'm on trial. These people are on trial for trying to steal an election in 2020.
In court Friday, testimony on the matter wrapped up with lawyers calling Willis's father to take the stand.
Ms. Willis had not told you about Mr. Wade prior to that.
Absolutely not.
Former Governor Roy Barnes telling the judge he turned down the position Willis later gave Wade.
I don't think this is the end of the drama. If anything, it's probably just the beginning.
John Acevedo is an associate professor at Emory University School of Law. He thinks the chances of this judge disqualifying Willis or Wade aren't huge. That's because the defense hasn't been able to prove a direct paper trail.
Here it's a bit of a stretch because she obviously is not getting any part of that salary directly. Instead, the theory that's been put forward is that she's getting gifts from Wade from the salary that he's being paid to prosecute these defendants.
Willis has maintained she paid Wade back for their vacations abroad, mostly with cash. Regardless, Acevedo says it's a bad look for the prosecution, especially with the inconsistencies. And that's something Judge Scott McAfee will factor into his ruling.
In criminal law, we're concerned not only with conflict of interest, but the appearance of conflicts. If you think about it, the entire system relies on trust in the public having that these trials are done fairly and the defendants get a fair shake.
It will be at least a week before the lawyers give the judge their closing arguments on the conflict of interest question about the lead prosecutor next Friday at the earliest. All of this dragging out as the November election approaches.
Should he remove neither of them, then status quo, we're still on track for an August trial.
And guys, even then, another hurdle will be finding an impartial jury in this RICO case with all of this playing out in such a public view that could take at least another 5 months. Keep in mind, jury selection for the YSL RICO case took 10 months. At the live desk, Rob DiRienzo, Fox 5 News.
Yeah, it'll be interesting to see where all this goes, Rob. Thanks.